I think it was, a good, start from the Union, even if they give up, early goal, but then they reacted, very quickly to get the equalizer. It's not easy, to get 2-hour delay, but I think the good thing for the Union and for this game, it's the player didn't come out on the field before the game. They started, warming up when the weather was good and then went straight to the game. So it's always, delicate to deal with a delay like this, but I think they did a good job and they were able, to come back twice in this game and then at the end get the final goal in the final minutes by Macania and get the win. It's always a special when you play an Open Cup. There's something happen all the time.